to send my art integration in that Google form link. Ma'am, it is not opening.
Send
So
me in
can I
WhatsApp.
send to
Send me in WhatsApp. Okay.
WhatsApp?
Yes. Send me in my WhatsApp number. If you are not able to send your art integration or notes in the given link or somewhere else, please send me WhatsApp. I will manage it. Is it clear to all of you? Fine. I think we should wait for a couple of minutes. Let the other children join the class. Let me see. Keshav, Kushal, Lavanya, Madhur Lunia, Mokshmota, Naman, Pahal Vaidya, Gunjan, Ishika, Pulkit, Ronak, Rishika, Saksham Jain, Shaurya Jain, and who else are there in the class? Sur, Tanvi, and Vishesh Oswal. Now raise your hand those who has not sent notes yet. अभी तक जिसने भी अपना notes नहीं भेजा, they can raise your hand. I want to see your faces. I want to need to talk with you something and want to tell you something. Please raise your hand. I have list those who have sent. I have my phone in my hand. I know who has sent. Those who has not sent their Arham notes. Am I properly audible to all of you children? केशव तो भेज दो आज के आज. एक हाथ उठाया है. जिसने भेजा है वो रिएक्शंस मत दो. जिसने नहीं भेजा है ओनली दे विल रेज देयर हैंड. ऋषिका सेठिया, गुंजन, विशेष ओसवाल, ऋषिका, दर्शन, because your name was at the top, that's why I took your name. Aram, what's the issue? हाँ ओके, आज के बाद मैं आपका नाम नहीं लूंगी. ठीक? Is there an issue? नहीं बेटा, I am just kidding. I'm just kidding, Aram. Don't take it seriously. I just want to. Why are you putting your hand down? Let it raise. And I want your notes today itself. Art integration and notes should be there in my phone. Otherwise, literally, I will put 0 there. Daily, the same thing we teachers are telling to you, and you are just ignoring. You're just sitting. Means like nothing is going on. Huh? Is this a way, beta? अगर आप अभी स्कूल में आते हो तो हर चीज प्रॉपरली करके देते ना. You have ample of time to do lot many work. But we are playing games on mobile. Okay, fine. Without wasting much time, those who are able to send it in my mail, they can send it in mail. Otherwise, please send me on my WhatsApp number. इससे ज़्यादा easy क्या हो सकता है? Jinal, please unmute your mic, beta. Now tell me what's the issue? Why are not active in the class? हाँ? जहाँ तक मैं आपको जानती हूँ, you are very active child. Jinal, unmute yourself. Now answer me. Yes, Jinal, I am waiting for your response, beta. Where is Chaitanya today? I am going to log the class. And see see the attendance of the class. All of you are able to see? Okay, Jinal, your mic is not working. So you can text me. Jinal, text me. I want to know the reason. And send me those. Beta, it's my last warning. Then after, I'm not going to take anyone's name. I will just give report to the principal, madam. Ma'am, these are the children and they have not submitted their notes yet. They have not submitted their answer art and integration yet and they are not responding to. अच्छा लगता है ना आपके पेरेंट्स के बाद पास स्कूल से कॉल जाता है कि आपका बच्चा ये नहीं कर रहा मैडम सर जो भी है ना, बहुत अच्छा लगता है आपको। बेटा ऑनलाइन पढ़ रहे हैं आप लोग, घर में बैठे हैं, सब चीज इजीली आपको अवेलेबल है, फिर भी इतना इतना इशू है। Some children are coming to school. Do you want to do so? Madhur and Mehak, am I right? Madhur Lunia and Mehak Lunia, am I right? आप लोग आए थे स्कूल, आते हो स्कूल? है ना? So, okay. So those who has not sent their notes yet, send me your, yes, Naman, notes and art integration by today.
Ma'am, can I send you through mail because from laptop I can't send it through WhatsApp.
So send me in my mail.
Yes, ma'am.
How many chapters are there in final? It would be decided. I think after half yearly all the portions would be there. It's not sended, beta, it's sent. Okay. Fine. So let's start today's class with a new sample paper. You can see here, it is downloaded by Byju's CBSE Social Science Sample Paper Set 2. One we have already discussed. Sample question paper 1 we have discussed. Okay. The marks you will get for 80 and duration is 2.5 hours. Section 1 would be objective type of question. Each question carries 1 mark. First of all, let me unmute all of you. But please maintain the dignity of the class. सबके सब एक साथ नहीं चिल्लाएंगे। अब बोलने की देरी थी, सबकी माइक ऑन हो गई। While replying only you will keep on your mic, otherwise off it.
May I have the first question?
मैम मैं इशिका।
Yes, Ishika.
मैम मैं आई लावण्या।
D, right to vote.
D, right to vote.
And please, if I'm saying Ishika, तो let her answer. बेटा नमन, आप लोग तो हमेशा देते रहते हो ना, एक बार इशिका को, जो बच्चे नहीं पार्टिसिपेट कर पा रहे उनको पहले आने दो। Okay. Franchise refers to right to vote. Yes. Annotation is also free. You can choose here from annotation. आप यहाँ से choose कर लीजिए और आप यहाँ से क्या कर सकते हैं, इस तरह से टिक कर सकते कलर ले करके, ठीक है? Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
But जिसका मैं नाम लूंगी वही। राजा राम मोहन founded a reform association known as
मैम क्या नहीं पुलकित शौर्य
yes, Shaurya,
ब्रह्म समाज
Brahma Sabha.
मैम शौर्य
Raja Ram Mohan founded a reform association known as Brahma Samaj.
ब्रह्मा समाज।
Arham, don't do that. Arham. And keep off your mic if you are not answering. Because you can see recording is going on. This symbol is visible to all of you. So unnecessarily, please don't on your mic. Okay? Next question is Delhi during the late Mughal period was also important.
शांत रहना. Ma'am, can I tell Shaurya?
Sorry, just you told na. So let me.
Ma'am, Pulkit has told the answer of the second one.
Don't do so.
No, ma'am. Ma'am,
Don't
Pulkit
do
has
so,
told the answer.
Don't do so, otherwise I will unmute all of you. और इसमें टाइम वेस्ट होगा, एक एक को मैं अनम्यूट करते रहूंगी तो. Yes, Shaurya, you tell.
Ma'am, the question,
Delhi during the later Mughal period was also important center of Hindu, Sikh.
ma'am, Hindu culture. A, Hindu culture.
Yes, Hindu culture. Question number 4. The Vernacular Act allowed the government to confiscate the assets of the newspapers, including their printing press, if the newspaper published anything that was founded vulgar, objectionable, reasonable, none of these.
Ma'am,
Tell me with your name, not only ma'am. Laksh, I know, but you should tell Laksh, है ना? क्योंकि यहाँ पे आप सब
ma'am, Gunjan.
Okay, Gunjan, that's why I'm telling beta, tell your name. हाँ बोलो Gunjan.
Ma'am, regional.
नहीं, wrong. It's wrong answer. The right answer is Pulkit.
मैं till Jainam.
Yes, Janam.
Option B.
Yes, option B, objectionable is right answer. Got it? वर्नाकुलर एक्ट में कोई भी चीज ऐसा पाया जाता जो गवर्नमेंट के अगेंस्ट था, कोई भी ऐसा ऑब्जेक्शन था, सो उनका क्या होगा, वो प्रेस सीज कर लिया जाएगा. इज इट क्लियर? नेक्स्ट, इंडियन टेक्सटाइल हैड लॉन्ग बीन रिन्यूड both their fine quality and design, fine quality and executive craftsmanship, fine quality and quantity, none of the above. Fast, 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 I'm waiting. Yes, Arham.
Ma'am, may I tell Naman?
हाँ, Naman, please tell.
Ma'am, option B, fine quality and
Exquisite craftsmanship is right answer. Now fill in the blanks with the suitable terms. City known as Manchester of Japan.
Tokyo.
Tokyo. Money granted by the government to help an industry keep the price of a commodity or service low to benefit the people. Money granted by the government to help an industry keep the price of a commodity or service low to benefit the people.
Subsidy.
Yes, subsidy is right answer. Association started by B.R. Ambedkar is association started by B.R. Ambedkar is.
Can I tell? Ma'am, can I tell? Shaurya. Can I tell?
One by one. Yes, Shaurya.
Can I tell? Ma'am, can I tell?
Shaurya. अच्छा, के बाद पुलकित आप बोल लेना.
भारतीय बुद्धा महासभा.
भारतीय बुद्धा महासभा.
Mahasabha. Can I?
Yes.
SCF, Scheduled Caste Federation.
Scheduled Caste Federation. और कोई कुछ बोलना चाहता है इसमें? Anyone else want to? Anyone else want to say something?
Depressed Class Association, ma'am. Depressed Class Association.
Is right answer. Depressed Class Association is right answer.
मैम SCF नहीं है मैम, वो भी तो वही चालू किया.
वो भी है, but most start जो किया था वो depressed class के लिए किया था. The rapid growth of population. The rapid growth of population. Who is talking there?
Ma'am, what
Ma'am,
is the
इसमें
correct
क्या
answer of third?
ग्रॉस नेशनल? मैम
Sorry, the rapid growth of population means?
जनसंख्या का तेजी से बढ़ना।
अच्छा, वेरी गुड। ये बात तो हम जान ही नहीं रहे थे। रिपीट इट वंस अगेन।
And population increase.
जनसंख्या।
नहीं,
मैम यू आस्क्ड मीनिंग।
I didn't ask meaning. At least not in Hindi.
Ma'am, population increase.
हाँ तो उसको क्या बोलते हैं? Population
इंक्रीज ऑफ पॉपुलेशन।
increased of population. I know beta, but what we will call it in a term of political science.
ग्रॉस नेशनल प्रोडक्ट।
अरे आप लोगों ने डेथ रेट, बर्थ रेट पढ़ा है कि नहीं पढ़ा?
यस मैम, पढ़े हैं।
मैम पढ़े हैं।
डेथ रैपिड क्या होगा ये? The rapid growth of population is known as?
Ma'am, birth rate increase
Rapid
and
growth.
death rate decrease.
Very good, children.
पूर्वांश मैम, इजी आंसर।
मैम मैं आई से समथिंग। मैम ये चैप्टर हम लोग के ज्योग्राफी में भी है।
हाँ, फिर भी तो आप लोग नहीं बोल रहे हैं।
लास्ट चैप्टर।
हाँ, फिर भी तो आप
मैम 10th वाला मैं बताऊं मैम?
बताओ।
मैम 1916, 4th February 1916।
The rapid growth of population.
नहीं मैम, मैं 10th वाला बता।
ये किसने बोला? जैनम रामपुरिया। एक्सपोनेंशियल ग्रोथ इज राइट आंसर। एक्सपोनेंशियल ग्रोथ इज राइट आंसर।
मैम 10th का मैं बताऊं मैम?
Growth of
4th February
is
1916।
known as exponential growth. The Hindu college was established in Banaras in
1916। 1916, 4th February
is
1916।
right answer. But ये क्या है? Pulkit, I am asking these question and answering for this question, huh? Now,
मैम
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
yes.
ma'am,
Ma'am,
today
what is
only
the right?
that was established.
Huh?
Today is also 4 February.
मैम आज 105 इयर्स हो गए हिंदू कॉलेज को एस्टैब्लिश
यस
हुए।
मैम।
Yes, yes. Look at here, 1 mark answer and any 10 question, but we will solve all 12. Who established quality between Indian and British judge? Who established?
एल्बर्ट।
Yes, Albert Bill, जो कि पास नहीं हो पाया था। Albert. What is
यस
bandana?
मैम।
What is bandana? जल्दी बताओ, 1 mark क्वेश्चन है। What is bandana? What is bandana? जल्दी बताओ।
मैम a large colored handy handkerchief मैम।
स्कार्फ।
Yes, a scarf.
मैम a large colored।
It's a type of textile, a large dark colored scarf. Bandana. Give some examples of agro-based industries. Give any 2 example of
मैम
agro-based.
कैन आई टेल?
Yes, please.
मैम फर्स्ट एग्जांपल इज jute and second is silk.
Good. Agro-based में silk.
सिल्क, कॉटन।
एग्रोबेस में
मैम
कॉटन
अगर जूट
आएगा पर सिल्क नहीं आएगा। एग्रोबेस में क्या क्या आएगा? जूट आएगा, कॉटन
और
आएगा,
कॉटन आएगा।
नहीं आएगा।
मैम
ओके मैम।
सिल्क वॉर्म से रियर होता है इसलिए।
हाँ,
सिल्क वॉर्म से रियर होता है उसकी मतलब एग्रीकल्चर नहीं की जाती इसलिए।
हाँ, वो सेरिकल्चर में आता है ना बेटा।
यस मैम।
Write the main objective of English Education Act of 1835. Write the main objective of English Education Act of 1835. याद है?
मैम कैन आई?
Yes.
To reallocate funds it was required by British Parliament to spend on education and literature in India.
Yes. And the main motto to get a good and literate clerk from India.
Yes.
Which program gives people access to clean drinking water? Which program gives people access to clean drinking water?
स्वजल 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 मैम स्वजल
Okay, what do you
सही है
understand
मैम
by fair trial?
Ma'am, can I tell? Sorry.
Yes, Shaurya, please tell.
Ma'am, a trial that is conducted fairly and justly.
Once again.
Ma'am, a trial that is conducted fairly and justly.
Yes, in an open court, है ना, उसमें ऐड कर देना in an open court. Good.
Yeah.
Which
Oh,
place
thank you, ma'am.
was served as the summer capital of British Empire? Which place?
मैम कैन आई पुलकित
Yes,
शिमला
Shimla is right answer. The world population has increased drastically over the past few decades. Give reason for it. It is one mark question, only one reason. What could be the one reason? Solid reason? What could be one solid reason? अरे कुछ भी हो सकता है ना. Look at here. The world population has increased drastically over the past few decades. Give reason.
मैम
हाँ. First
इंक्रीज इन मैरिज
First reason.
इंक्रीज इन मैरिज
Increase in marriages. Second है education. Third है improvement of medical science. Anything could be there, है ना? Define nationalism.
Ma'am, may I tell along?
May I tell?
Ma'am, may I tell?
मतलब तो सब
May I tell, Suryansh?
सूर्यांश बोलो.
Ma'am, a feeling of pride for your own country.
A feeling.
A feeling that your country is better than other.
Ma'am, can I tell?
Yes, yes. Anyone else want to tell?
Ma'am, identification of owns nation.
Identification of own nation is. और क्या हो सकता है? और क्या हो सकता है? Nationalism. Define nationalism. अपना अपना पर्सपेक्टिव बताओ.
अपने देश के प्रति निष्ठावान रहना.
हाँ. Not in हिंदी ना.
मैम मैं भी तो वही बोला.
Define nationalism. हाँ, आप सबने सही बोला. और क्या हो सकता है? Nationalism in your own word. सक्षम. सक्षम. Saksham,
Yes, ma'am.
what define nationalism in your own word?
Ma'am, pride in our nationalism.
Pride in our nationalism. वो आप
मैम वो तो हो चुका है, सूर्यांश बोल दिया था.
नेशनलिज्म आपके लिए क्या है? मेरे लिए जैसे complete devotion towards my nation is nationalism for me, है ना? अपने देश के प्रति पूर्ण तरह से समर्पित होना इज नेशनलिज्म फॉर मी. अब आप लोग को ऐसे ही नेशनलिज्म का डेफिनेशन लिखना है. डोंट बी सो बुकिश. ओके. गिव एन एग्जांपल ऑफ ह्यूमन मेड फाइबर.
Ma'am, can I?
यस.
Ma'am, can I?
Nylon.
साइंस में भी पढ़े हैं. नेम द सिटी दैट वाज डेवलप्ड अराउंड पोर्ट्स. नेम द सिटी दैट वाज डेवलप्ड अराउंड द पोर्ट्स.
Surat.
ये हमने ये चैप्टर स्किप कर दिया है. When was non-cooperation movement launched? When was non-cooperation movement launched? Non-cooperation movement.
मैम 4th
4th September 1920.
4th September 1920 is right answer. Now section C, short answer type questions. Each question carries 2 marks, but 2 to 3 marks, है ना? How was Indian art influenced by the British rule? Chapter omitted है. What is issue in organic farming? What is used in organic farming? बैठे रहो चुपचाप, मत दो आंसर. What is used in organic farming? गुंजन
Ma'am, may I tell?
बोलो.
Organic means manure, humus.
So these things are used in organic farming. What is the right pattern of writing your answer? Is in this way you will write your answer. How cultural and educational rights are important for minorities group? Explain briefly. How cultural and educational rights are important for minorities group? To save to protect their traditions, cultural rights are important, and to improve their knowledge, education rights are very important. Why we will write in this way? Because the answer is for only 2 marks. What were the black town and white town? Jaldi batao.
Ma'am, can I tell?
Yes.
Ma'am, during the British rule, there were two types of town called black and white town. In white town, Europeans like British and Portuguese live. In black town, Indian laborers and carpenters live.
The places where the Britishers supposed to live, the Englishmen supposed to live, was known as White Town, and the Indian people laborers were live is known as Black Town.
Black town.
Why did the Safai Karmachari Andolan file PIL in 2003? What did they complain in their petition? What did the Safai Karmachari? It is given in an NCERT book. The chapter we read there, है ना? Next, see, distinguish between population growth and natural increase. Population growth क्या होता है और natural increase क्या होता है? The government should not.
Ma'am, can I tell population growth?
नहीं बोलोगे तो दोनों बोलो. Population growth and natural increase.
मैम पॉपुलेशन ग्रोथ बोलने दो ना.
Okay, tell it.
मैम पॉपुलेशन ग्रोथ माइग्रेशन से भी होता है, मतलब
Not in India,
people
no?
travel.
Arab.
Ma'am, no, people travels from one place to another place is called migration. So when people migrate each town to another town, so population increase.
Good. And what could be the next part of the question? Natural growth.
Ma'am, I am totally
Ma'am,
Sarvat Sannata.
Natural.
natural increase is the difference between the birth rate and death rate.
Exactly. Very good. Naturally increased in a death rate or birth rate. Good. The government should not completely privatize the system of providing any public facility. Justify the statement. Okay, children. Now we are just lacking of time. We have only few minutes in our hand. So I would like to show the whole question paper at once. Ye ho gaya. In this question paper, map work is not there. I will add map work here. Then I will upload the question paper in your portal. Okay, try to solve it within 2.5 hours without cheating. Are you getting my points? Children, if you are not able to answer any question, please mark. Please don't write the same. Leave it. आगे बढ़ जाओ and submit me an honest answer sheet. In this way, you can improve yourself. Otherwise, what it would be happen? कि भाई आप ओके गूगल करके कुछ भी आंसर दे सकते हैं. But after within few months you are going to promote in class 9th and it would be an actual class. Are you getting my point, children? So how you will be able to, क्या आप लोग अपने आप से क्वेश्चन करके देखो, are you all of you will be able to go in class 9 or not? So my dear children, I will upload the question paper with map work question. Then solve it within 2.5 hours. घड़ी देखो, अपने पास रखो, 2.5 hours में उसको करो. इससे दो चीजें होंगी, एक आपका नॉलेज इंक्रीज होगा, दूसरा आपका टाइम मैनेजमेंट होगा, है ना?
Yes, ma'am.
मोस्ट ऑफ टाइम व्हाट वी सपोज टू डू इज मैम टाइम कम पड़ गया, मैम टाइम कम पड़ गया। क्यों टाइम कम पड़ गया? आपको तो 9th क्लास ऑनवर्ड्स आपको और बहुत ज़्यादा लिखना है जितना आप लिखते हैं। फिर कैसे करेंगे? ये साल तो आप लोगों ने बिना लिखे ही खर्च कर दिया ना।
Yes, ma'am.
क्या नाम? So now this is the time to be ready। कमर कस लो अपनी और सिर्फ प्रिपरेशन पे ध्यान दो। I want 100% result। What it children? I want 100% result।
Thank you, ma'am.
How many of you can give me 100% result? How many of you? Raise your hand. Let me see how many of you will give me 100% result। एकदम with a promise 80 out of 80 लेके आना है। सूर, महक, सूर्यांश, शैली, मधुर लुनिया, व्हाट अबाउट दिशा, राशि, पहल वैद्य, ऋषिका, जैनम को नहीं लाना है, पुलकित को नहीं लाना है, नमन को नहीं लाना है ना, अरहम को नहीं लाना है, गुड। तन्वी को भी नहीं लाना है, अच्छा तन्वी को लाना है। आई एम टेकिंग a screenshot of this and don't forget children, it's a promise। I will take it as a promise। Fine। So again I am giving you a reminder, please send your answer PDF and art integration। बेटा बार बार बोलना अच्छा नहीं लगता है ना। So send me it fast by today itself। We have to also report our seniors and all the records would be there in CBSE file। So please cooperate। Okay children।
Yes,
मैम
ma'am.
आपके पास मेरी आ गई, मैं आपको ईमेल की थी।
Who is asking? Sur।
यस मैम।
I told those who has not sent है ना। I'm not asking those who has sent। Those who has not sent, please send your
ओके मैम।
fast। Is there any doubt in any chapter of SST to anyone? So we will go through it first, then after we will solve our question answer or the sample question paper। To anyone? किसी को कोई डाउट नहीं है? So the question I am going to ask is for पीयूष जैन। पीयूष अनम्यूट करो अपने आप को। पीयूष, and answer me this question। Discuss the development of the 1937 to 1947 period that lead to the creation of Pakistan। Discuss the developments of the 1937 to 1947 period that lead to the creation of Pakistan। Yes, Piyush। Are you there in the class? Piyush, on करो अपना वीडियो, ऑन करो तो। Piyush, are you there in the class? This is the reason I always tell you to keep on your video and sit with your video। No issues for today, this much only, and tomorrow we will continue with other topics।